Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this in-depth review, we're going to examine this platform called Krispcall. Krispcall is a phone system for your modern business. Think of it as a super smartphone for all your companies. It helps you make and get calls from anywhere. You can even send an SMS message. It's like having a call center on your computer. You can even integrate it with other tools you use. So all your info is in one place. It has advanced features like you can even see how many calls you get and where they comes from. I'm talking about the best and the key features on this platform that makes this platform super exciting. Is it comes with some real cool tools that makes your business call easier. It's not just also about phone call system. It has some tools to help you manage calls, save money, and keep track of everything. So let's look at some of the best things this a powerful website can do. So it can help you with multiple phone number, can help you with online phone numbers checker, together with a live call monitoring and a cost-effective international phone calls, together with a useful CRM integration. So talking about the pricing plan, they have just three pricing plan which can help you. So they have the essential plan, the standard plan, and the enterprise plan. So the enterprise plan is a custom price which can be only be, you know, determined by the customer care. So if you want more information about the pricing plan and the key features being listed on each plan, you can simply get back to the website to know which part of the plan suits for your business. So talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand what a platform can do, the good and the bad side of a platform before actually diving into it. So talking about the good side, it's very easy to use. It comes to a world global number. The CRM integrations are offered and it's helpful for call monitoring. And talking about the downside, the advanced features can be very costly and the setup can be tricky, and it also relies on internet, so you cannot use this offline. So you have to be on internet to have access to this, and sometimes occasional glitch can occur. So that's just it for now. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thank you.